Yeah.
Has this ever happened to you?
Yes?
Accidents like the one you just saw could have been prevented if used. Hoover Elite Deluxe Rewind Megacharge Swifter.
The Hoover Elite Deluxe Rewind Megacharge Swifter?
The Hoover Elite Deluxe Rewind Megacharge Swifter.
Well, what can it do?
What can it do?
Yeah, what does it do? That's what I asked.
You can vacuum your living room! You can vacuum the bedroom! You can vacuum the office! You can vacuum the bed! You can vacuum the basement! You can vacuum the closet! You can vacuum your shirt! Oh! You can vacuum the blanket! You can vacuum the table! You can even vacuum the floor!
Wow! What else can it do?
You can vacuum your driveway! You can vacuum your sidewalk! You can vacuum the roof! It can even do things for you, such as cooking. It can give you a back massage. Feels great. Oh, yeah. It can even sing you a lullaby. It can do so much more than that. Wait, oh my God. Where is it? Oh my God, what are you doing? What is all this?
My master plan has now begun. My leap to immortality begins with the destruction of this world and every disgusting being in it. The Hoover Elite Deluxe Rewind Megacharge Swifters will take over the galaxy and will spread communism like cream cheese on a waffle. I am a god.
Oh no, you don't.
Oh, are you trying to fight?
Oh yeah!
No, I was trained by world-renowned survival expert Juniper P. Jensen. You are no match for me.
Oh no.
Oh, gee, yeah, this is what happens. This is my time. Who am I? I'm vacuum.